but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Farmer, crops, and foods. Farm is an area of land that is devoted primarily to agricultural process with the primary objectives of producing food and other crops. Farmer, crops, and foods. Being a farmer is not that easy. Really needs an unended patience, have problem-solving abilities, time management proficiency, and have interpersonal skill, and most of all, usually farmers have the characteristic of being good, kind-hearted people and wise. And after a long process working in the fields, harvesting crops is the most happiest moment for farmers. Farming was among the earliest of civilized man occupation, and it has been the main economic basis of every civilization, down to fairly recent times. And among ancient people, farm owner was regarded along with the warriors as the most respected and honored men, and of course farmers has more and better food to eat, which is more fresh and healthier. At the eastern part of northern Luzon, palay cultivation process is about 3 to 6 months before it will be harvested. It depends on the type of palay and on the weather location. Now they are harvesting the called long time palay. It's for 6 months cultivation. This palay called the chochoros. And they will harvest it one by one, manual harvesting.
si Kos ka anak aswa.
Daon ni kung paagad mapada manjahi at awak nakarilang nadakan kung adin pagrigan naoy magkiting sa gabatin
Na fisherman, fisherman. Ito sa kanam Albion Fisheries. Kanam Fisheries. Siya ka doon naman siya. Taon na kayo na siya.